Menteri Ketna Kakoi Kakhia Jong Kajela Ujem Sangma Haba Juba Halor Jingkren Tho Jong Gokhale Ulaong Ba Umdan Eiei Ban Pynphai Ktien Nia Jingkren Jong U Ula Ban Rap Lu Da Kabaong Ba Kidon Sibun Kikam Kiba Hap Ban Pendep Ba Sibun Ki Scheme Kiba Kila Penya Syakmat Ba Kalukom Penya Ya Kasencar Kakadar Kan Aila Yaki Ban Peluka Ya Kapor Ha Kita Kijingatai Nya Kibam Sok Nangrem James Ulaong Lu Ba Gokhale Udan Kohok Ban Pynpau Ya Ke Ka Ba Umwan Wat Lakim Long Kiba Sok Nangrem Hanai Ha Kabukut Ubreu Ubadan Kata Kajingkit Kli Unwan Ra Ya Kijing Shisha Ba Syaki Pai Ba Kadai kamram jong kipai ba bakin shim ya karai la kadon gajing shisha halor gajing keno bat kumta kasincha pai ba kadai kam.
I don't want to make any comments about Mr. Gokhale, but I think that for us we have so much of work right now. The government is doing so many interventions and so many schemes are being carried out, and the process of governance doesn't allow for us to engage in such kind of frivolous debates with anybody. So see, at the end of the day, Mr. Gokhale has every right to express his views and opinions, no matter how unsubstantiated they are. But at the end of the day, I think a responsible person would first lay down the facts and then bring it to the attention of the public, and it is for the public at the end of the day. The general mass will decide whether there is merit to any of his accusations or allegations or whatever you may call it, and then that's how democracy functions. I mean, there's no time for such kind of debate. Otherwise everybody would be calling us out for a debate. That isn't how things work. I think it's sheer immaturity on his part. I don't think he understands the process of governance and what it entails, and he's just sort of saying things for the sake of saying things.